Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. We have a special event happening tonight in SANPETE County, Utah. This is a fundraiser event for the local food pantry, and we love to get involved with these types of things. I just brought down our giveaway item, if you will, for the night. They do a lot of silent auction items as well as live auction items. I believe this one's gonna go on a live auction item. But we have a 125cc dirt bike donated by Big Pine Sports to the pantry. One lucky winner is going to take this, or I shouldn't say winner, one lucky bidder is going to take this home tonight. We'll see you here in a couple of hours, but I wanted to hop on here and say thank you to the SANPETE Pantry for all they do. There is hunger everywhere in America, and they are fighting for some help and support here locally. If you would like to get involved, I'll post up in the description below where you can go on and place a donation. Every dollar helps. We'll see you here tonight. Have a good day, everybody.